Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how you can get best Shopee voucher code. So guys, search on Google Shopee voucher code and then you see this is the best voucher. As you can see here, voucher P code, this one. This is the best voucher guys you can use. Just get cashback or reveal this code. Just get reveal and you see this code from here guys, and just click copy code and then go back to store and you can use for the store, and you can use all this voucher code guys and you can get deal and discount. This is how you can do guys, and you can see this website also guys, Grabphone, and this is also a great website to find vouchers for Shopee. Just get deals. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give a like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Just log in your account and claim your voucher from here guys, from this website vouchers. So guys, just reveal this deal.